So, what is the prostate? Let's start with the basics. The prostate is a small gland, about the size of a walnut, that sits just below the bladder and wraps around the urethra, the tube that carries urine and semen out of the body. Its main job? Producing prostatic fluid. This fluid mixes with sperm to create semen and helps protect sperm as it travels through the female reproductive tract. The prostate also contracts during orgasm, pushing semen out during ejaculation. And here's where things get interesting: the prostate is surrounded by sensitive nerves, which is why stimulating it can lead to intense sensations for some people. What is prostate massage? Prostate massage is a manual technique that applies pressure to the prostate, either for medical reasons or for sexual pleasure. Medically, it's been used in the past to help diagnose or treat conditions like prostatitis, inflammation of the prostate. But these days, many people are interested in it because of its potential to enhance sexual experiences. How is it done? The most direct way to stimulate the prostate is internally, through the rectum. Here's how it works: a clean, gloved, well-lubricated finger is gently inserted about 1 to 2 inches into the anus. Once inside, the finger is angled slightly upward toward the belly button. That's where you'll find the prostate, a smooth, rounded bump, often compared to the tip of the nose in texture. Gentle, consistent pressure or light massaging motions can stimulate the gland. Important tips: trim your nails. Use plenty of anal-safe lubricant. The rectum doesn't self-lubricate like the vagina. Be slow and gentle. Too much pressure can cause pain, bleeding, or injury. You can also use toys specifically designed for prostate massage. These usually have a curved shape to target the right spot. But make sure anything you use is made for anal use and easy to clean. Trust us, you don't want to lose anything in there. And yes, it happens more often than you'd think. Can it be done externally? Some people claim you can massage the prostate externally through the perineum, the area between the scrotum and the anus, sometimes playfully called the taint. Technically, reaching the prostate this way is very difficult. Even in surgery, it's not easy to access because it's shielded by the pubic bone. However, perineal massage can still feel really good. Why? Because it stimulates structures like the corpora cavernosa, the erectile tissue that runs deep into the pelvis, and can also affect pelvic floor muscles, which are tied to sexual response and relaxation. Does it help with prostate health? Now let's bust a myth. A lot of online advice claims that prostate massage can clear out the prostate and help with conditions like BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia, or an enlarged prostate. Here's the truth: there is no strong scientific evidence that prostate massage improves urinary symptoms or reduces prostate size. BPH is very common, especially as men age, and it causes things like frequent urination, weak stream, or trouble starting and stopping the flow. But while massage may feel good, it's not a proven treatment, and in some cases, it could even cause problems. If you massage the prostate too aggressively or too often, you could cause bleeding, worsen an existing infection, or, in rare cases, irritate a prostate tumor if one is present. So if you have symptoms like pelvic pain, fever, or chills, stop and get checked by a doctor. That could be a sign of prostatitis or something more serious. What about sexual pleasure? Now this is where prostate stimulation really shines for some people. Because of its rich nerve supply, the prostate is sometimes called the male G-spot. And yes, many people say that stimulating it leads to stronger, more intense orgasms. Surveys have found that some people find this kind of stimulation incredibly pleasurable, even orgasmic on its own, without touching the penis. Others enjoy the sense of fullness or pressure during anal play. And for some, it's just not enjoyable, and that's totally okay too. Everyone's body is different. So, let's recap. The prostate is a sensitive gland that plays a key role in reproduction and pleasure. Prostate massage is a real practice, and when done safely and gently, it can be a unique way to explore pleasure. It's not a miracle cure for prostate problems or sexual dysfunction. But for some, it enhances pleasure and creates a new dimension to their intimate life. Just remember, hygiene, consent, and safety always come first. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use this information. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based insights about sexual health, pleasure, and everything in between. Take care of yourself, because you're worth it.